Are your Broadcom contracts as flexible as they should be? Do you know how to align renewals, scale down commitments, or phase in new licenses without overpaying? Here's the truth. Broadcom's contracts are designed to lock you in. If you don't negotiate for flexibility up front, you'll lose leverage and pay for licenses you don't need. First, co-termination. That means aligning all your Broadcom products, VMware, Symantec, CA, to renew on the same date. Why does this matter? Because it gives you one big negotiation event instead of a dozen scattered renewals. Broadcom may resist, but you can usually get there by prorating fees or extending terms. Next, true down rights. By default, Broadcom doesn't like letting you reduce license counts. But if your business shrinks or you divest a division, paying for those unused licenses is wasted money. Negotiate clauses that allow you to drop a percentage at renewal, or at least prevent Broadcom from enforcing a minimum renewal obligation. And then there's ramp-up pricing. If you're rolling out a Broadcom product gradually, don't agree to pay full freight on day one. Instead, negotiate a phased ramp, lower cost in year one, with increases only as adoption grows. Just make sure it's tied to your deployment plan, not Broadcom's idea of step pricing that front-loads costs. The bottom line, co-terming, true downs, and ramp pricing aren't luxuries. They're essential protections. Without them, Broadcom controls the timeline, the quantity, and the cost. At Redress Compliance, we help enterprises build these protections into their contracts, securing leverage, saving money, and keeping Broadcom deals aligned with business needs. If your Broadcom renewals don't have these clauses, contact us before you sign another agreement.